Go to Google and search MediaInfo, and from the results, you need to find this website called mediaarea.net. Click on it to open it, and then click on the Download MediaInfo drop down. For Windows, select Windows, and the latest version is a universal installer. So click on it to download it. Once the download is completed, click on Open File. Select your language, and then click on OK. As you can see, it's a very tiny tool with a very small file size. So click on Install, and once the installation is completed, click on Finish. This would open the preferences. Click on OK, and this is how the information would look like. You can close it. Now you can right click on any video file, and then you can see the option for media info. Click on it. This would then give you the accurate information of your video footage, and as you can see, the bitrate size for this file is 72.3 MB per second. Similarly, you can check the bitrate of other video files as well and compare the bitrate of different cameras. The higher the bitrate value, the better the camera quality.